Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECLAST T60 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the display. Now scroll down again and localize the night light, and of course we can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher. You can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. Of course it is in order to filter the blue light. We can customize it, so let's enter the night light, and we can do it with the usage of this switcher, the intensity switcher. By going to the left we can make it cooler so it is almost invisible, and by going to the right to warmer, so of course set this effect on the level which you like the most. You can also schedule it. The none option is manual option. You can turn it on at custom time, so you can freely choose the start and the end time, and of course your device will apply the night light accordingly. And you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and this option I believe is location based, and your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. So this is how to customize the night light. Of course you can have much faster access to this option. Simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to find the icon for the night light. As you can see, it is right here, so let's simply tap on it to turn it on and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.